Hello guys, I wrote an article about keyword density for pretty much bloggers. Um, since I'm a member of the SEO for photographers on Facebook, um, I basically written it because of honest question. How many times do I have to repeat a keyword on a post for a good SEO points? The SEO points refer to the Yoast plugin that she's using. I'm not going to go over the Yoast and how to use that. I'm just pretty much going to go over keyword density. As you know, everybody has different opinions as far as what the density should be. When my approach is a common sense approach and a conservative approach. So, what I've pretty much put here is let's get down to details. When writing, make sure it's 2% for any one word keyword, 1.5% for any 2 words keywords, and 1% for 3 words keywords. And if it's 4 or 5, it's less than 1%. You're probably thinking, well, like, how do I know? Well, there are tools for that, and I'll get to that in a minute. But before we do that, you have to understand that keyword density is related to how many words you have in your article. So if you have, so for this one here, I have 1560 word counts. So it's pretty long. And so because it's long, I could have multiple same keyword in my article. But if this was a 300 or 250 words, then my keywords would be limited. My guide, is if it's 250, I use 1 or 2 keywords and that's it. I don't use more than that because to me, if I use any more than that, it's stuffing it with keywords. So I'm very conservative when it comes to this, applying, putting keywords in my post. So I haven't checked my density for this post yet. I just made it. I didn't publicize it yet. I just got done writing it. I added some photos, and after I'm done, I'm going to add this video also. So let's get down to the keyword density and let's get that going. I'm sure you guys want to know how to do it. So make sure you have a Firefox, and for Firefox, make sure you download CEO Quake or Search Status 1.46. It's on here. So I'm going to use CEO Quake for this. And if you want, you could download Search Status too. I found that Search CO Quake plugin or the add-on slows down my Firefox and sometimes it freezes, so I tend to not use that as much, but I think it's better than the Search Status. There are other add-ons, but this is the only 2 that I've used, so you could find other keyword density add-ons on your own. So let me publicize this and then I'll get back to you. I just publicized. Now I'm in publish. So it's published, and now I'm going to go to viewing my post. Hold on, guys. All right, so for this here, I went to tools, add-ons, and I went for CO Quake, and it's going to add it, install, and then it's going to ask me to restart the whole thing. So I'm going to do that, and then when I come back, we'll check for the density. So I just set up my CO Quake. So just to let you know, CO Quake will read everything that's on the page, from all the way down to all the way to the bottom. Whatever's there, it'll read it. So let's go ahead and let CO Quake work here and see where what happens next. So over here, keyword density, it's reading it, and so pretty much the keyword I'm hitting is keyword density, or keyword density for photographers. Those are the two I'm looking at. And so let's see. So for keyword, I'm actually low. I need to go up on the keyword. SEO, I could go up some more on the SEO if I really want to hit that. Photographers, it's not really meant for for just photographers. So I'll just maybe just go up a little bit on that. And let's see. So two words, keyword density. I'm right on the, let's see, it should be 1.5%. So I could go up on the keyword density. See, it read everything. I didn't put video marketing on my post, but it read everything on the page. So see, photographer so a lot of it I could actually increase my keywords, because it's such a long article, 1,500 words, that I could actually add more. So for the keywords, I repeated that 24 times because the article is so long. I could add more. So based on this, somebody answered, Anna, and it says you should avoid using the same keyword more than once in a single post. Well, really, that depends on how long your post is. If it's 250, that's probably a correct statement. But if it's like mine, it's 1,500, you could repeat it more than once. For the SEO quake, I could repeat, let's see, keyword density. If that's one of my keywords, I repeated that 9 times, and according to this, I could probably add 5 or 6 more, and I should just be perfectly fine. So let me make some changes and let's see where we're at. So targeting a two-word keyword here. So it looks like my keyword density is spot on. I didn't want to add any more keywords. The right amount of keywords is fine with me. As long as it's under 2, I'm happy with that. And a lot of it is under 2%. Keyword density is spot on at 1.5, and everything else is under that. I'm okay with that. And number 3 is and so it should be, so 3 should be 1%, or so it's less than that. So I'm pretty okay with the rest. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until Google index my site and see where it goes, where it stands on the SERP. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload this video and then add it on to the post, and then I'm gonna make another video and add it. So there's gonna be 2 videos on the post. So that's how you check the keyword density, by looking at the keywords that you are using, making sure that one word keyword is less than 2%, around 2% or less. Two word keyword should be 1.5 or less, and 1% for 3 words. It's less than that, that's fine with me. I'm just looking for content that's really helpful, and 4 words should be 0.5 or less. I'm happy with that. It's not perfect, but as long as it's not stuffed, that's what I'm concerned about. That it's not stuffed with keywords. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wait till Google index it and see where it goes, and then I'll tweak it after Google index it, depending where it lands on the SERP. All right, thank you for watching. This is Mike again from Cornerstone Marketing Services.